The dump truck is slowly moving up the hill. Oh, it's going down now. The bulldozer has finished smoothing over the area. The dump truck was going up, now it's coming down. There it is. Okay. The dump truck will slowly. The dump truck is slowly approaching. It's slowly going up the incline in reverse with a large load, a very large load. This is a construction work going on at Belmont Park in the infield. Lots of excavation going on, lots. Here comes the dump truck, there it is. It's coming up, it's approaching, it's approaching. The dump truck is slowly but surely approaching. Here it comes. The dump truck is approaching. It's ready to deposit its load. It's ready. Soon, watch. Ladies and gentlemen, watch the video as the dump truck deposits its load. There, it's extending. It's extending. It's extending. More, more, more. And the load is being deposited. There it goes. Another load deposited. Progress. The dump truck now withdraws. As another dump truck is now approaching. Two dump trucks. This is double dump truck action. Double dump truck. Here comes another dump truck. It's ready to deposit its load. It's extending. It's extending. More, more. It's getting longer and longer. The load is being deposited. And it was a big load. Okay, there goes the dump truck to retrieve another load. And there's the bulldozer. Ready to smooth over the area and prepare it for the next load.